to my channel. Hope you're all well. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, will be a review on the Sand and Sky Brilliant Skin Detoxifying and Brightening Face Mask. I have seen this face mask all over the internet, all over Facebook, all over Instagram, everywhere, and it is supposed to be highly rated. So I'm just gonna read off the box what it's supposed to do, then we're going to try it on camera, and then we will see the results after. So if you'd like to see how this face mask works, then please keep watching. Okay, so the Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. There's something in this apparent pink clay that does all this wonders for your skin, which is why it was a whopping $39.90 off of www.cultbeauty.co.uk. So for a face mask, that is quite expensive considering I'm just used to paying about £9 for my skin care. So that is a lot of money if you ask me, so I'm hoping that it does do wonders for my skin. So it's made in Australia. This product contains vitamin A, used with caution if also taking dietary supplements or using other products containing vitamin A. Store in a cool, dry place below 30 degrees Celsius. So we've got to apply evenly to a freshly cleansed skin using the applicator brush provided. Let the mask completely dry approximately 10 minutes. Gently remove with warm water and pat dry using a clean towel. Cool. So it doesn't really give much info other than that. Just the list of ingredients which you can find on Cult Beauty. I will link that below for you guys. So I have cleansed my skin. I've got no makeup on whatsoever. I've done my eyebrows and popped a few spots. So on Cult Beauty it says, thanks to its generous, natural, secret ingredient and swiftly visible results, this pretty pink clay mask has taken the beauty sphere by storm. In fact, you might well have seen their incredible effects by filling your newsfeed. Yes, I have. Detoxifying and brightening in only 10 minutes. The miraculous mask is powered by Australian pink clay and a cocktail of other botanicals to invigorate a dull complexion and instantly boost radiance. Okay, and again it just says how to use it like it says on the box. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in for you guys as it's pretty unclear from your distance what my problem areas are. So I do have quite enlarged pores here, around this area, some spots, some acne scars where I've popped spots, again some acne there, and then on my forehead again some spots, just redness from where I've done my eyebrows, and in here I get a lot of blackheads here and all on my nose. So I will zoom in after I've used this mask and see if it's changed anything that I can notice, and then comment below if you notice anything yourself. So let's get applying. So it comes in this box, and on top is your brush that it provides, and then it comes in a blue tub like this, and it doesn't say anything new that I can show you. And then once you open it up, it's got a security thing there, and it is indeed a pinky mauvey face mask. So it says, using the brush provided, apply evenly above. It just smells of clay. I can't say that it smells anything amazing. The brush is of really good quality though, and it's really cool sensation on the skin, which is really nice. I've got a Boots aloe vera mask, and that kind of gives the same effect once applying. It's really cooling. Oh, it's making my spots that I've just popped tingle. Oh, it's really tingly. Oh, it's making my whole face tingle. Oh, it's making my face tingle. Cool, so let's set the timer for 10 minutes. That means I can wash it off now. It's dried completely. Just slight here is still damp and slightly here is still damp, but I have checked. Let the mask dry completely, approximately 10 minutes, gently remove with warm water. So I'm gonna go do that now. Okay, so let's zoom in and check out what do you guys think. Okay, so I can definitely tell here, this area is not as red as before. Maybe it's just me got a bit of a placebo going on. Pores have definitely shrunk. Oh, I got it on my ear. My spots aren't looking as red. My skin actually feels like super soft. Really, really amazing. I definitely do think that it's giving me a brighter complexion. I definitely do look more fresh and awake. I do think that. But it does say too, as it was drying, I looked on Cult Beauty, and it does say to use 2 to 3 times a week if you have oily or combination skin, or use 1 to 2 times weekly if you have dry sensitive skin. So I don't know if it's supposed to be like an instant results. I definitely think it's done something, but I think over time, if you keep using it, it's definitely gonna improve and improve. Skin seriously feels so soft. Also, which I didn't read before, it does say don't be alarmed if you feel a slight tingle. It just means that the active ingredients are working hard to tackle impurities. So I think that's why I had that tingling sensation as soon as I put it on my skin, but it definitely feels so soft and lush now. And something else I forgot to mention, which I remembered as it was drying, just letting you know that this box is 60 grams. So for about £40 you get 60 grams worth of clay mask. So I don't know if that's gonna stop you or make you buy this. Thanks for watching this one. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Comment below if you saw a difference. I'll link everything in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.